أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम आफाक सीरीज़ की मैथ की क्लास 6 की बुक का चैप्टर नंबर 11 या यूनिट नंबर 11 जिसका अनुमान है पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे। पेरीमीटर और या एरिया किसी रेक्टेंगल का या किसी भी शेप का पेरीमीटर और एरिया हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं कि हम देखेंगे। स्क्वायर का क्योंकि चारों साइड इक्वल होती हैं, इसलिए अगर आपको एक साइड दे दी जाए तो वहाँ से पेरीमीटर उसका निकाल लेते हैं फार्मूला की मदद से, और इसी तरह एरिया भी उसका निकाल लेते हैं। तो आइए हम देखते हैं कि क्या फार्मूला है और कैसे कैलकुलेट किया जाता है। ओके, perimeter, if we want to calculate the perimeter of a shape, suppose it is given that find the perimeter of a square whose one side is given. So if one side is given, we can add up all the, we know that in square all the four sides are equal, so we can add up L1, L plus L plus L plus L. So all the four lengths, when we add up, we got the perimeter. Whereas in area, we simply multiply length into width, that is equal to L into L. So in these are the formula to calculate the area and perimeter. So here find the area and perimeter of squares of the following lengths. So 23 centimeter, if we are going to calculate the perimeter, then what we will add? We will add 23 plus 23 plus 23 plus 23. So all the for the perimeters we will add up all the 23. So that is 23 by multiplied by 4. So if where the perimeter will be, we can find out the perimeter. Whereas area for the area, we have already known that when we multiply length into width, we will get the area of that square. So 23 multiplied 23, that is equal to 529 centimeters square. Whereas perimeter will be 4 into 23, that is equal to 92 centimeter. Area is always written as centimeter per square, and perimeter is only in centimeters. So in the same way we can find out the B 15 multiplied by 4, that will be the perimeter, and 60, that is 60, and 15 multiplied by 15, that will be the area of the square. In the same way 38 centimeter, area will be 38 multiplied by 38, whereas perimeter will be 38 multiplied by 4. In the same way 76 we can find out. Now we'll go for the question number 2. So here question number 2, length is given as 13 centimeter and width is 19 centimeter. We know that area is equal to length into width. So 19 multiplied by 13, that is equal to 247 centimeter square. In the same way we will calculate the parameter. Parameter is equal to 2 into length plus width. So 2 into 19 plus 13, that is equal to 32. 2 multiplied by 32 is 64 centimeters. So that is the area and perimeter of the length given. So the part B, length is given as 35 meters and width is 29 meter. We know that area is equal to length into width. So 35 multiplied by 29, that is equal to 1015 meter square. And perimeter will be 2 into length plus width. So 2 into 35 plus 29, that is 64. 2 multiplied by 64, it is equal to 128 meter. So perimeter is 128 meters. So now we will proceed for part C, whose length is given as 38 meters and width is 22 meters. So area we know that length into width is the area of a rectangle. So 38 multiplied by 22 is equal to 836 meters square. So this is the area, and perimeter we know that 2 multiplied by 2 into 38 plus 22, length plus width. So it is 60 multiplied by 2, it is equal to P is equal to 120 meters. So now the part D is, the length is given as 51 centimeter and width is 44 centimeter. We have to calculate the area and perimeter of that shape of a rectangle. We know that the area of a rectangle is length into width, 51 multiplied by 44. Length is 51, width is 44. When both of them are multiplied, it giving 2244 centimeter squares. Whereas perimeter for 2 into 51 plus 44. So it is 95. 95 multiplied by 2 is 190 centimeters. So this is the solution of part D. Now question number 3. The perimeter of a rectangle prayer mat is 5 meters. What is the length of the prayer mat if its width is 1 meter? यानी हमें लेंथ मालूम करनी है जबकि पैरामीटर और width हमको दिया हुआ है. So let's see how we can find out. As we know that area of a parameter, no, as we know that parameter of a rectangle is 2 into length into width. So parameter is given as 15 meters. One width is equal to 1 meter, and we have to find out the length. So according to our formula, P is equal to 2L plus 2W. So here we have to find out the length of the pyramid, whereas the value of pyramid and width is given. So P is equal to, pyramid is equal to 15 meters and width is equal to 1 meter. So we have to find out the length. So here what we will do, we know the formula, P is equal to 2L plus 2W. We have to find out the value of this L. So we will eliminate all these things from here. As we have learnt in our algebra that here if something is going to add it, we will subtract this from both sides. So P minus 2W is equal to 2L plus 2W minus 2W. So this 2W is cancelled from here. So we find it that P minus 2W is equal to 2L. So in the same way, here 2 is multiplying with L. We have to divide by 2 to both sides. So P minus 2W divided by 2 is equal to 2L divided by 2. This 2 will be cancelled from here. Our formula will be L is equal to P minus 2W divided by 2. So P parameter is 15 and 2 is the formula, and multiplied by 1 meters. The value of width of this parameter is 1 divided by 2. So it will be the 15 minus 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 13 by 2 meters. That is the area of that is the length of one length of the given uh, measurements. So now question number 4. The length of a garden is 9 meter and the width is 7 meter. Find the cost of growing grass at the rate of 95 rupees 95 per meter square. So here what length and width are given of the garden. So okay, here length is given as 9 meter and width is equal to 7 meter. So we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. So according to the formula, perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. So L is, we have given 9 plus 2 into 7. So that is equal to 18 plus 14 is equal to 32 meter. So cost per meter is given as 95 rupees. So the total cost will be 32 and 95 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 95. So its answer will be, okay, so it's when we multiply 32 into 95, its answer will be 3040 rupees. Total cost of the area will be like that. Total cost of grass, growing grass is 3040 rupees.